Good morning, students. This is Miss Amreen, your science teacher. Welcome to our online science class. Today, I continue our first chapter, Animals and Their Food, part 3, Food Chain and Care of Domestic Animals. So, what is food chain? The sequence of eating and being eaten in living organism is called food chain. फूड चेन मीन्स वो एक ऐसा सीक्वेंस है जिसके अंदर एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जब दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म को खाता है तो वो एक चेन बन जाता है जिसे हम कहते हैं फूड चेन. सो एज वी ऑल नो, प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड. प्लांट्स गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम द सन एंड प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड. बट व्हाट अबाउट एनिमल्स? So, animals directly or indirectly dependent on plants or on some other animals. So, let's understand easily with an examples. So, here are few examples of food chain. First example, grass is eaten by the deer. Deer is a herbivorous animal. And deer is eaten by the tiger. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. So here what we observe, animals and plants linked to each other. Second example is grass is eaten by the grasshopper. A grasshopper is eaten by the frog. A frog is eaten by the snake. And a snake is eaten by the eagle. So here you can see one chain. One sequence is there from the very base to the high level. So here eagle is dependent upon the snake, and a snake is dependent upon the frog, and a frog is dependent upon the grasshopper, and a grasshopper dependent upon the grass. So here we can say that the eagle is indirectly dependent upon the grass. So, they all are dependent on each other. So, this is known as food chain. Next, we will learn about domestic animals. How to take care of domestic animals. So, we keep animals like dog, cat and rabbits in our house as pets. We keep animals like cows, horses, goats and sheep in the farm. These animals are called domestic animals. We should always take care of these animals. We should give them proper food and clean water. We should keep them in clean shelter. We must be kind to these animals.